we have here, fresh from, well, I say fresh, this is not very fresh, is it? It's old, but fresh to us from Sundon. Neil, good lad. He's got a few of his old kits, or say kits, old cars that he's kind of piled up, as you've probably seen in one of the other videos. This is the Losi 8, one of the very first ones I believe they did. So it'd be interesting. You can see how old it is. Look at this, the old, literally touched the air filter and it crumbled. I don't know if the engine turns over, I can't tell. That's just the clutch. Actually not even that, is it? Yeah. Anyway, look, needs a bit of TLC. First thing then to do is to whip the engine out, which shouldn't take too long, and then clean it up and go from there. Okay, there it is, engine out. Doesn't look too bad actually, you know that. It looks, yeah. All right, we got the old cast oil residue on there, which I'm going to get off very shortly. The only thing I can see is the spur gear has obviously been chewed up there. The engine is seized as suspected, but I do have a little idea what I'm going to do with that. Try and see if we can salvage that. I know that I think we have got a potential newish engine that's going to replace this, but hey, I like a challenge. I'm going to try and sort that out as well. Petrol tank's got, I think it's got a hole in it where, well, it doesn't look great, is it? Where the clutch is slit, because actually this, sorry, focus up, this slip forwards because it weren't on. But hey, not so bad though, right? So let's clean it up. I love this stuff. All over there. Okay, so it's looking a lot better already. Just need to, all this horrible residue is coming off now, which is good. Good old Halfords. Yeah, it's an old table, luckily. I get told off. Engine's in pieces, anything that might melt I've taken off, and then an old trick I learned actually from my airplane flying days is to, because it was seized solid, put it in boiling water and it just gets rid of all that old caster oil and everything. As long as we oil the bearings and dry it off thoroughly, we should be good. Other than that, yeah, I'm quite enjoying it, because I'm in lockdown right now, because my daughter has COVID, so it is keeping me busy. Right, so I've basically unseized the engine now with my little trick, which is good. So I've oiled all the bearings up. It's now really, look at that, beautiful, beautiful. However, that's stuck on. I think I might need one of them puller jobs to get that on. But car's relatively clean now, with minor sort of bits to replace. Actually, not many bits at all. I think the only bits to replace, as I've mentioned before, is our clutch here, the spur gear, and there's a little pin which is actually quite annoying. Which came out of here, which goes in here, which fell out, which I can't find. Other than that, I think we're good. So stay tuned to see how this one pans out. As I say, the idea is to get it going around the track and see how well we do, you know. Wish us luck.